Oh, hi guys. You see my peach tree? Looking good, huh? So lately I've been home, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and then I found one of these YouTubers from Vietnam, and his video, they are quite interesting. He lived in the countryside of Vietnam, and what he does is he doesn't have they don't have like a market and stuff where they can just go to and get food. So whatever they find, they eat. And one of the video that intrigued me was the one when he went to go catch some snails. So anyways, after watching his video, I wanted to get some, but I was like, where can I go to get some? So I was like, you know what? Let me go try at the Asian market and see if they have them.
And right in the frozen sections of Hong Kong market, there behold, frozen snail. And at $2.99 per package, let's grab a few packages. And since we're here, let's grab some ginger and lemongrass as well.
And the other ingredient that we need to boil the snail is guava leaf. I think it was my mom that told me this, but yeah, she said you need some guava leaf to boil snail. So if you guys know the reason why we need them, let me know down below in the comment, okay? I just do because, that's what my mom told me, but I don't know the real reason why. Do they like extract the slime from the snail or something like that? Or just let me know. And luckily we do have a guava tree at the house. I have this tree for like 5 years already, and then hopefully this is gonna be the first year that we're gonna have some fruits. We got some guava leaf, we have some lemongrass, some chili pepper, we got a steamer pot, and then we have the snails. I think we call apple snails. Anyways, I'm just gonna throw everything in, and let's see how they taste like. Alright, so now I'm gonna fill the pot up with water. And then I'm gonna throw the guava leaf inside. I'm gonna cover it up, and also throw in the lemongrass. Cut up the snail, throw it in there. It looked big, but they actually don't have that much meat in here. So this is how it looked like. Look kind of gross, but it should taste really good.
And in order to create a tropical vibe like the countryside of Vietnam, we're gonna need some banana leaf and some palm leaf. They sell banana leaf at the market, but I don't need that much, so we're just gonna improvise with some bird of paradise leaf and some palm leaf from my house. And don't worry, I make sure to wash them.
Of course it had to be hot today. All the day to be hot. Hot today. Alright, I got my setup done. Got my drinks. Got my thong. Got my tool. I just took a chopstick and sharpened it up, but if that fell, we got the toothpick as a backup. So while we wait for the thing to boil, let me show you guys how to make the sauce real quick. So really there's no preparation for this dish except for the sauce. And to make the sauce is pretty simple, but then it's also difficult at the same time because there's so many ingredients you have to use. So we're gonna make the base first for the fish sauce. We're gonna do, it's the same thing, ratios, one sugar, 2 water, and then 1 fish sauce. 1 sugar, 2 water. Make sure you guys mix it up well. And I think I went over this on one of my how to make cotton videos. You guys can go back and watch that video if you guys want to, but it's basically the same sauce. 5 hours later. So now I'm just gonna add in the fish sauce. Add 1 and maybe a half. And that is pretty much it for the base. So see, simple, right? So now for the other stuff, it's pretty much just extra, depending on what ingredient you have. But what you need the most is ginger. You have to have ginger, and then you have to have chili pepper, and then if you have lemongrass, that'd be great. If not, that's okay. And then you need some limes. So I'm gonna cut up right now. I'm gonna show you guys. So for the ginger part, it's up to you guys. I like ginger, so I'm just gonna use a lot of it. You're gonna smash this all up anyways, but if you want to, you can just cut it thinner so it'll be easier to smash. And then we're just gonna slice a few of this lemongrass to tiny little bit and just give it a lot more flavor. So you guys can see we have ginger, we have lemongrass, and then we have chili pepper. I'm just gonna mash it up. Yeah, you can put it in like the grinder and grind it up, but you know, I just want to make it look good, so you know, I use this bowl. So just sweeten a little bit of lime, just a little bit. Mix it a little more. And since we don't have lime leaves, I'm just gonna cut the skin. So I'm just gonna put, you know, a little bit of lime skin in there. Just a little bit, give it a little kick. Mix it up. Let me taste it. Oh yeah. Oh. Got a little sweet, a little bit sour. Get a kick from the ginger and the spice from the chili pepper. Woo! It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. This is the final product. Dipping sauce for our apple snail. Alright, so since these are already cooked, we just have to steam up again, and then they're pretty much ready to eat. Oh man, here we go. First bite. Dip it in the sauce. The snail doesn't have any taste, but the sauce is what makes this dish. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the snail has a kind of little crunch to it. And then the sauce, just spicy. That kick with the ginger, so delicious, so good. And it's like, when you eat outside, it makes everything taste better. So what you do is, you take the snail, you poke it with your chopstick, and then you dip it in the sauce. Swirl it around, get as much sauce as you can. And then you pop it in your mouth. And who say food can't make you happy? I think the last time I had this was back in 2008 when my grandma was still alive. And I think I still have that footage. We usually eat this with Bươu crab soup. But this by itself is good too. I know it looks gross, but man, it is so good. And these are the frozen ones, and they taste this good. Just imagine how good the live one tastes like. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.